ProTempus allows you to set different billing rates for each case and each timekeeper working on a given case. We have previously set up 3 cases for John Decker. When you create a new case, you are required to enter the billing rate of the originating attorney. If there will be multiple timekeepers working of this case, we must define the billing rate for each timekeeper. We can assign a billing rate for Mary to work on John's divorce by selecting Mary on the user list and then editing the case. We can see we have already set her rate at $150. We can also add rates by selecting the case and then click on Parties Details. Here are the current rates of the attorneys working on this case. From this window we can add a third timekeeper. Let's assume Jack will also be working on this case at a rate of $150. Enter $150 in the rate edit box. Then click on Jack's name on the user list, which will add him as a timekeeper to this case. If there were others working at the same rate, we could click on other names on the user list to add them at the $150 rate. ProTempus also allows you to save a case as a standard billing rate template to be used in future cases. Let's assume most of our divorce cases will be worked by Ron, Mary and Jack at these rates. We would like ProTempus to automatically define these rates each time we created a new case using a billing code of divorce. To set these rates as the default, first make sure the originator of the case is highlighted on the user's list, then click on the Cases Parties button on John's contact window. Then click on the divorce case, and click on Edit. There is a button with a star to the upper right of the matter code. Clicking on this button will allow us to create default billing rates using this case. You have 2 options. One is to use these rates for all new cases, or to use these rates only for new divorce cases. These rates are also tied to the originator of the case. If we selected the divorce button, all new divorce cases, where Ron is the originator, will be created with these rates. We can set up a different set of rates for cases originated by Mary. Selecting all will use these rates for all new cases created with Ron as the originator. Of course, once the case is created, you can change the rates for any case by clicking on the Parties button and changing the rates for 1 or more attorneys. Enter the new rate into the rate edit box, then click on the attorneys that will be billed at the new rate. For more tips on using ProTempus, click on the free training button at protempus.com.